water? It just falls from the sky, doesn't it? No? Okay, well, 60 seconds on the clock then. 3, 2, 1. We start in the clouds, and this is where the rain falls to the ground. This is the start of the process, where Welsh Water and their partners work their hardest to get every drop to you, teaming up with people like Jack, the farmer, to ensure that the ground is ready to catch the rain before it filters down into our lakes and reservoirs. Where here, an army of technicians, engineers, biologists turn the water into drinking water, and then the water gets sent through thousands of meters of pipes through a network that could reach all the way to Australia, so then we can drink, cook, wash and... So this is the end of the journey, yeah? Well, no, not quite. Only half of Welsh Water's work is getting clean water to you. Then it gets sent to a water treatment plant where people like Leon ensure that the water is cleaned again. Often the waste can be turned into energy that powers works to keep costs down, and the rest of the waste can be given to farmers as fertiliser. Then the clean water is sent back out to the sea, which is great for people like Nick from Surf School Wales and thousands of people on Welsh beaches every year before the whole process starts over again. And that's it, from the sky to sea in 60 seconds. Head over to Welsh Water's Facebook, Twitter and YouTube page to find out more about how they're keeping our water flowing.